ye no edi nkomo ni nyina ye nkomodi akoso fa foreigners a wo maje retailing e Kumase ha ni Asante Mantema Ghana ha nyina akra because other areas so mo so complain but ye di Kumase nkomo ni edi nti omo ene KMA and I remember say ne minua ba Henrita ene gutafo nyina atena wa ha ma omo ka so omo ye nhihye na omo intervene na bibia ye kama nti mayenko minua Richard Kwesi Ofori Agyeman Boadi the mayor the KMA na any ni nkomo say anamo be na omo to because deadline na according to Guta deadline no omo say enra nti ne on person mo make move chief mame mo atimo akwaba but ho ye de
yes I don't know
e da nyame ase pa enra mo say na I think enra na ewo culture center na nti me am timu say umuda no pen break akra wo anyway Guta for e de ehihye bi ba anamo bi anon beso mutu ma KMA mu ba mu say foreigners a omoye retailing e wo Kumase etiamra nti on pese omutu anamo no mkototo shops mu e ma KMA mu ka say mu beboa ma nkomodie no be koso kama se de be ya emfa yeye bia emakurim wada roma ene mu busa se saa nchihye no ene anamuntu amoye se mutu dia boa no akwa akosisen
medase the leadership Mr. Dami good vice president or send me a message I expect of him because they are any of the na no control to make that and say oh mommy bedroom rubber draw manager PC for company for Kumase and you will have a share yes require power that is an amount and also and okay the cancer be there yeah retail market has been virtually ambushed by foreigners, especially Chinese and somewhat Afrikaners now. It is something that I intend to take a very vigorous action on to clamp down the activities of foreigners who have invaded our retail market. You be aware. One more big in Ghana for them. One as a beginning. Recently, but to be by my attention, a Nigerian woman be a Ghana be caught the whole Nigeria. I could find on my bulk, whatever, Ghana. No about betrayal duty. When one side is the same woman or the man. When one side is a book of mercy, and one side is virtually the price of Toma or Nigeria or Ghana. Now, we will put Ghana and out of business and out of anything. So it's something that's not acceptable. Chinese way of my people who have the day of book or money or little beer or between man go for wholesale vanity. Not a born or two man enemy wholesale or have all fight on the same or retail. So you mean that the Olympics is a good enough way. I will not counter that, but the question.
Okay.